Hey, what up guys, welcome to another edition of Nitro's Log. Our event Night Strike is behind us. It was an awesome event despite the pain that fell down just being between the top 16 battles. We've done like 20 something ride-alongs in the S14 Tomcat, which is by the way back safe and sound in our hangar. It was awesome. Despite the super slippery surface, it was super tricky due to the different asphalt compound which layout takes place on. So the level of grip is consistently changing. You are like, once you have full grip, then no grip, and the car then grips again. But we managed to bring a lot of fun to these guys.
Beat back.
So this is it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya!